I'm Tasia from Linbay Machinery. Linbay Machinery is a roll forming machine manufacturer from China. And today I'd like to introduce this stud roll forming machine to you guys. This roll forming machine can produce stud profiles. Here is a profiler, and in this roll forming machine, we can produce the stud of width 60 and 90 millimeters. The thickness is 0.85 and 0.5 millimeters. On this production line, we have a manual decoiler, a roll forming machine, and the flying cut system. If you are interested in our roll forming machine, please keep watching. On the production line, at the beginning is a manual decoiler, and after the decoiler, we can see the most important part, the roll forming machine. And this section is the entrance of the roll forming machine. We can see there are two hand wheels. We can adjust the width of the feeding, and because in this case we need to produce two different sizes, so the feeding width is different, so we need to change the feeding width. And on the first station, we can see the coolant sprayer. Because in this case, we use galvanized steel, so we need coolant fluid to protect the zinc coating on the steel. This machine uses a cast iron support structure and driven by chain. It's a very efficient, high-speed configuration, and totally there are 12 forming stations on this machine. Because in this machine we need to produce two different sizes, so we need to change the position of spacers. We can see the spacers on the rollers. These are the spacers, and when we need to change the position, we need to loosen the lock ring, and then change the position of the spacers to adjust the width of the profiler. And the width of profilers are 60 millimeters and 90 millimeters of the stud. Inside the roll forming machine, there are many guide rollers to ensure the steel always stays centered without deviation. And all the rollers are chrome-plated to ensure the long service time and against corrosion and rust. On this machine, we have an encoder automatically measures the length, and when the profiler reaches the cutting length, the machine can cut automatically. And this is the correct head. When we producing long profilers like 6 meters, it's very necessary to use a correct hand to ensure the straightness of the profiler. On the stud profile, we have to punch holes for running electrical cables. So on the roll forming machine, we have the punching part. In this part, we need one set of punch molds to punch holes in the profiler. And the punching machine is also flying punch, has a very high speed to improve the efficiency of the whole production line. Finally, we have the flying hydraulic cutting section. In this section with the flying system, it means when we cut the profilers, the roll forming machine doesn't need to stop. It can improve the speed of the whole production line. And we can see there are two different sizes on the blade. It means we can cut two different sizes with one set of blades. It's a very economical option for clients. And now I have the profile on my hand. We can see the service is burr-free, and it's very safe for the operators to install these profiles. We use the servo motor in this section to supply power to the flying hydraulic cut. The servo motor can ensure the efficiency of the position and the high speed of the flying speed. That's all about the stud roll forming machine. If you are interested, please contact us by the phone number and the email at the top right corner. We can offer the best post-sale service to our clients, and we have foreign engineers to offer the service to the clients on your factory, and we provide the instruction manual, the installation video for the installation of the whole machine.